Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So late yesterday in my part of the world, on the 17th of March, Microsoft rolled out the latest insider preview build to the dev and beta channels, build 26120.3576. And just as a quick reminder, the same dev channel updates that are based on Windows 11 version 24H2 are also being offered to insiders in the beta channel as an optional update at first, as we have been talking about on the channel. Now, what's new, and the main new feature is really focusing on Copilot PCs, where voice access commanding is made more user-friendly and intuitive, according to Microsoft, and that's on Snapdragon-powered Copilot PCs, where Microsoft says that it's introducing the ability for you to speak more flexibly while giving existing commands in voice access. So they give a couple of examples. So just to go through these. Traditionally, they say that voice commands in voice access would require you to follow a fixed syntax, making interactions rigid and sometimes frustrating. So as an example, if you said, "Can you open Edge application" instead of "open Edge," which is the actual command, it wouldn't work. So with this improvement to voice access, you can now say, "Can you open Edge application," or switch to Microsoft Edge, or "please open the Edge browser." So that's basically the improvements. And this means that you no longer need to pause and remember the exact phrasing of a command. You just say what feels most intuitive, according to Microsoft. And then they also mention that just in case something doesn't get picked up correctly, voice access will also show you real-time command suggestions based on your lost utterance to help you recollect the right command. So this emphasis of this feature is basically aimed at Copilot Plus PCs in the dev and beta channel for this week. And then while we are talking about voice access, they are introducing Chinese support for voice access. And then I'm just going to mention one or two important bug fixes, where there is a fix for the issue in the File Explorer where the See More menu goes up the wrong way. So it goes up instead of down. And this has been in preview now for quite some time, and I have been talking about recent updates in the stable channel where Microsoft really needs to fix this bug. So if we just minimize this, just to give you an idea, you can see it heads up and it should be heading down. So that's one of those bugs that has actually been around in Windows now for months. And I see they are working on this in the Insider program, but still no fix in my region. There are fixes rolling out at intervals for this, I've seen in the comments, depending on your region, but no joy in my region. So I hope that gets to me sooner than later. And then they also fixed an issue which could cause the login screen to crash if you click the sign in options link. And I always say a crash fix is an important fix. And then we get a fix rolling out for recall on Copilot Plus PC. So a lot of the emphasis on this build is aimed at Copilot Plus PCs. And they also fixed an issue causing an unexpected amount of extra space at the top of the settings system sound page. Yeah, at the top. And a couple of other pages. So that's a couple of niggly issues that have been sorted out in regards to settings. And then there are two print-in fixes. And then we get quite a list of known issues, because ultimately this is mainly a dev channel build, which is quite early in the Insider program. So that is expected. So that's just a quick overview as to what's new in this latest build for the dev and beta channels for this week. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.